Butura, Nambale, Amukura, to Amagoro. Phase 1 is up to Amukura, 30 kilometers. Okay, we can do, because it's at a tender, we can do an addendum to increase up to Amagoro. Yeah. Yes, Your Excellency. Okay.
So we enhance the scope.
Yeah.
Cover that.
It's not far. Maybe about 7 kilometers.
Alafu ile alikuwa anasema Excellency, wapi Shivare?
Shivare is here.
Oh, yeah.
So we come up here.
Saying about 2 kilometers.
I don't know how long it is.
When we do this Putula one,
Yeah.
make sure we connect to this Shivare.
This one.
Oh.
Yeah. To connect Machakos on the Busia. Okay. Yeah, here Machakos. Okay.
We connected to Machakos or Lukonis?
No, the nearest is Machakos.
Okay, Your Excellency. It's 13.
Engineering, what are engineering?
Okay.
They are here. They are here, Your Excellency.
Please, you had better be serious. Nearly to Kubalia. What time?
It's 24 months, but
4 months, kilometer 2, 12 kilometers. What are we doing for 24 months?
Your Excellency, I discussed with him and I told him this scope is 12 months. 12 to 18 months.
Yes, 12 months.
Yes.
okay.
How many kilometers?
13 kilometers.
Barabara 170 kilometers. We are doing it in 1 year. 170. So say 13 years.
Because of
We have also requested him to do 2 gangs. Because where we have lodged now,
At
we
Nasewe.
cannot ignore both sides.
Yeah.
So he needs to have 2 gangs. One going to Shibali,
Shibari,
and
and
then
then,
Kenda Matari.
yes.
And we are going to pay you this.
Hivi sasa Mheshimiwa Rais anaelekea kulifungua bamba ili kuweza kuweka idhini uanzishi wa ujenzi wa barabara. Anaelekea, anaifungua bamba. Wapi makofi kwake Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Ishara tosha kwamba hatimaye sasa ujenzi wa barabara unaanza rasmi. Your Excellency, tutakuomba sasa tuweze kuflag off machineries. Tukianza na kwanza mashine aina ya grader, water boza, alafu tipper. Your Excellency, at the count of 3, 2, 1. Makofi mazuri kwake Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Grader ya kwanza inaondoka. At the count of 3, 2, 1. Water boza pia inaweza kuondoka. Thank you, Your Excellency. Water boza pia inaweza kuondoka. Itafuatwa na lori aina ya tipa ikiondoka pole pole, ishara tosha kwamba ujenzi wa barabara umeanza rasmi. At the count of 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Your Excellency. Hatimaye barabara imeanza ujenzi kwa ishara hiyo. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.